Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have what you need: a domain, hosting that supports Node or static sites, and an API key. First, make a project folder and initialize Git so you track changes. Next, install the language model SDK and any web framework you prefer. This makes development faster. Once done, add your API key to End file and never commit secrets. Make sure to record rate limits and cost per 1K tokens so you avoid surprises while testing. Now build the middle. Implement a backend endpoint that proxies client messages to the LLM so your API key stays secure. Design a prompt template and manage conversation state, store short histories, or use summarization to stay within token budgets. Implement streaming responses if supported to improve perceived speed. Once done, wire UI elements, chat input, send button, and incremental message rendering. Make sure to validate input, enforce length limits, and handle errors gracefully before moving to deployment. Finish by deploying with HTTPS and setting environment variables securely on your host or platform. Test end-to-end. Simulate users, check latency, and enable basic monitoring and usage alerts. Once live, add caching and rate limiting to control costs and put a CDN in front if serving assets. If things go wrong, check CORS and API key mistakes first. Many failures are due to missing domain allow list entries or incorrect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.